Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to buy Premium Pass in Pokemon TCG Pocket. First, you'll have to open the application on your phone. And once you open it, you will find just right here this section, shop. Click on the button. And after that, here as you can see, it will show you the shop. You can simply click on this button on the bottom right corner, purchase Pokegold. Click on this button. Then it will show you this page. Now here you have on the top the Premium Pass. Just click on the subscribe button. And once you click on subscribe, now you can scroll down and see all the features that you can get. And when you think that you are satisfied with the features, you can simply click on subscribe to buy it. Then after that will show you this page. You have to scroll to the end, then check this button right here, and after that you can simply complete the purchase process. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.